वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं सावूत आनी भलायकेन. होप यू ऑल आर डुईंग वेल. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल अ easy quick recipe of mostly in Goa, in Goan families or spice plantation farm. You must have eaten this potato rava fry. Okay, so I've taken two potatoes and I've sliced it in this shape. Not very thin slice and not very fat, but it depends. If you want thinner, you can do thinner. If you want fatter, you can do fatter. Use slicer, use knife. And so these are of two potatoes, and I have put some salt in it and water so it doesn't turn black. After that, we need some semolina because it is semolina fry, that is rava fry, and few masala to marinate it. So let's start this. तो रायज हांव बटाटे आमचे रवा फ्राय कशे करपाचे ते दाखयता. 2 बटाट घेतला आनी हे स्लायस केला. And now let's add salt to taste for this. And mix this nicely so it goes to all the potatoes. We'll transfer this in a bigger bowl. Then we will squeeze lime juice to this. So half is enough for two. And now we will add some masalas to this. So we'll take 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And we'll add half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix this all nicely. तर हांकां आतां आमचो नॉर्मल घरांचो मसाला आसता पळय तो लायला. जे हळदीचो पिठो, मागीर मिरसांगेचो पिठो आनी आमचो सुकी कोथमिरीचो पिठो आनी इल्लें जिरो पावडर. निमू अर्दो घेतला. So we can keep this for marination for few hours if you want, or you can fry this instant. Oil for frying, not deep, shallow fry we are doing. Now we'll add little bit of salt in this rava and mix this up. Now if you want to add some masalas to this also, you can add masala powder, but I am not going to add any masala. Now we'll have to fry this. So very simple now to fry. Take oil for frying, around 2 tablespoons. And we coat this and fry this. चड करून आमच्या स्पायस फार्मान जावं थाली, sometimes they serve veg thali. Then when there is Shivrak, that time also it's a nice side dish to have with dal rice. Today we are having dal rice, this potato fry and some Karela also. Karela I have shown you all the video already how to do. See my Karela. So let's fry this. Then we flip-flop this the other side. So this is nicely done. And now I will remove and do the second veg. In that oil only we will fry our second veg. Try this recipe, your children, your spouses. If you have never tried, this simple, easy, quick snacks also you can serve as, and it is delicious. In Goan houses, it is always there. In spice farms of Goa also they will serve you this. Hope you will all enjoy this and try and make this and relish it. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली हे आमचे super easy recipe potato fry आणि मानता की तुम्ही सगळी हे करून खातेली बरे भाशेन तोंडाक. Enjoy. Thank you so much. And here it is. Enjoy this yummy, delicious. It's hot and it's very hot. Tasty, nicely cooked. Oof. Yeah. Yummy. Thank you.